Hey, Top 5 Best here. Welcome back to a new video. Now, before the video starts, I want you to go down right now and hit that like button. Also, while you're down there, make sure to subscribe for more videos. If you do hit that subscribe button, then also hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can turn on post notifications. If you have hit that like button, you did subscribe to the channel, then let me know by putting a comment below saying I subscribed, and I'll reply back to 100 lucky individuals.
10 cool science experiments you can do at home. Science can be a little intimidating, whether it is the latest research in organic chemistry or quantum mechanics. Sometimes science can make your head spin. But you don't have to go through 8 years of school or work in a high-tech lab to do science. There are plenty of experiments you can do at home. You might have a few of the materials just lying around the house. Here are a few very easy ways for you to see science in action. Number 10. Instant ice. In order for water to become a piece of ice, it needs a nucleus in order for solid crystals to form. Often, water is loaded with particles and impurities that enable ice to form. But purified water is not. Purified water can reach an even colder temperature before becoming really solid. If you throw an unopened bottle of purified water into the freezer for 3 hours, the bottle will be chilled well below the temperature at which regular water freezes. Number 9. Gooey slime. When you mix water, glue, and a little bit of food coloring, then add some borax, a gooey slime forms. That is because the glue has something called polyvinyl acetate in it, which is a liquid polymer. The borax links the polyvinyl acetate molecules to each other, creating very large, flexible polymer known as slime. Number 8. Tornado in a bottle. You can create your own crazy tornado in a bottle. All you need is 2 bottles, a tube to connect the bottles, and some water. When you whirl the liquid in the top bottle, it can create a vortex as it drains into the bottom bottle. That is because as the water flows down, air flows up, creating a super spiraling tornado. You can even add food dye, glitter, or lamp oil to the bottle to make the tornado even cooler. Number 7. Ferromagnetic fluid. This experiment makes it very easy to see magnetic fields in action. All you need is some iron, some water, oxide, and a jar. When you place a very powerful magnet along the outside of the jar, the iron fillings are attracted to it and piling up, and following around the magnet as you move it around. Number 6. Homemade lava lamp. Sunflower oil and water have different densities and polarities. When you mix them together, the water sinks to the bottom. When you add any food coloring, which is water-based, it will sink to the bottom as well. If you crumble in an Alka-Seltzer tablet, it reacts very quick with the water, which causes colored droplets of water to rise to the top, where they then pop, release air, and sink back to the bottom now. This creates a similar show to what you'd see in a lava lamp. Number 5. Pasta rocket. Believe it or not, you can create a simple hybrid rocket engine using nothing but some yeast, hydrogen peroxide, a jar, fire, and 1 piece of uncooked pasta. When you mix the yeast and hydrogen peroxide together, they quick react and create pure oxygen gas. When this gas is funneled through a 1 piece of pasta, all you need is a little bit of fire and you got yourself a pasta rocket. Number 4. Baking soda volcano. In this interesting experiment, a chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar creates lava bursting out of a model volcano. As the reaction reduces carbon dioxide gas, pressure builds up inside a plastic bottle hidden inside the volcano until the gas bubbles and quick erupts. Number 3. Rainbow in a glass. This interesting experiment takes advantage of density to create a rainbow in a glass. When you add sugar to a liquid, it causes the solution to become more dense. The more sugar you add, the more dense the solution is. If you have 4 different solutions that are all different colors and densities, the colors will layer on top of each other, and the denser, more sugary solutions will sit on the bottom, and the lightest will sit on the top. Number 2. Release the energy in candy without eating it. Do you have hyperactive kids? Could candy be the cause? This super demonstration will open your eyes to the amount of energy stored in these little candies. What you do is melt a very small quantity of potassium chlorate in a large test tube, which is connected to a ring stand. After that, use long-handled tongs to introduce a gummy bear candy to the test tube. The sugar in the candy reacts vigorously with the potassium chlorate, causing the bear to dance amidst bright purple flames. Number 1. Create magic mud. This magical glowing mixture is very strange, with an equally strange name, oobleck. Because it feels exactly like moldable pizza dough in your hands 1 second and like liquefied goo the next. Even stranger is the fact that this glowing magical mud is made from usual things we eat, specifically potatoes and tonic water.